Now it's day 2 of our Thailand trip, and today I'm going to be exploring what Bangkok has to offer. I'm sampling some of the different foods available across the capital and finding out what the nightlife is. So let's have a look. So we've travelled along one of the klongs in Bangkok in a long tailboat and visited the amazing sights in the Grand Palace. But now it's time to experience the nightlife, culture and of course sampling the different types of food available to eat in one of the busiest cities in the world. There's literally thousands of places to eat in Bangkok, from the bustling street vendors to the rooftop of the Rembrandt Hotel with the most amazing views of nighttime Bangkok. Although Thai food is the obvious choice for any tourist, the choice of cuisine in Thailand is second to none. There are thousands of food vendors along the streets of Bangkok selling fresh fruit and vegetables or hot food if you're on the go and need a quick snack. If you're a fish lover, you will love the seafood market. They're true to their word, as their motto states, "If it swims, we have it." And they literally had hundreds of fish on display. Tonight we decided not to move too far from our hotel for dinner and enjoy authentic Northern Indian delicacies in the Raj Mahal on the top floor of the Rembrandt Hotel. Right, so I'm full to the brim with delicious food. Now it's time to experience nightlife in Bangkok. In my opinion, you can never be bored in this city. There's so much to do, whether you're bargaining with the street vendors, sampling the food from the street, or taking a tuk-tuk across the city, which is brilliant. Having a sing-song at a karaoke bar, or literally sitting back and enjoying the atmosphere. Bangkok really comes to life at night, and while you're here, you have to visit one of the many night markets. Now, I've been on the show for nearly 15 years, so I think I know all the presenters inside out, and as I'm such a kind and caring person, I've decided to bring them all back a present. How good am I? Tonight we've decided to go to Patpong in the heart of Bangkok. This market is one of the must night outs for avid shoppers. Right, so let's get shopping. Mark, a man who loves his fashion and takes pride in looking well. He's also a stickler for time and is in the office early, so I reckon a snazzy watch would suit him. Aidan, well, he's a bit adventurous outside the office with his fashion sense and obviously is a sports lover too, so I think a pair of Thai boxing shorts would be perfect. Now, working with Sinead every morning, she's like Mary Poppins. Everything goes into her handbag, from shoes to makeup, so a new designer handbag wouldn't go astray. And of course we can't forget about Anna. So after a wander around the market for a few minutes, I finally found a designer purse for Miss Daly. And I'm ready to go. So, shopping's all done. Now it's time to sample the nightlife and see what Bangkok has to offer.
New York.
We travelled with TopFlight to Thailand. We flew from Dublin to Bangkok with Turkish Airlines via Istanbul and stayed at the 4-star Rembrandt Hotel in Bangkok. You can contact TopFlight on 01-240-1709 or visit www.TopFlight.ie for further details on holidays in Thailand.